What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is our Seago. So the groundbreaking documentary Seaspiracy premiered on Netflix last week, and me being the person I am, I watched the documentary the same day it came out, and I have a few things I want to say about it, and that's what I'm talking about today. Before I get started, however, if you're new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is our Seago. Here we talk all about animals and the environment and how to save the world. So how about you do the world a favor and hit that subscribe button. So firstly, let me explain the documentary. If you've seen Cowspiracy, it's considered kind of a sequel to that. It focuses on the fishing industry and how they are destroying our oceans, and how much of what they are doing is kept hidden from the public. Firstly, I want to say bravo to those who made the documentary. If you watch the documentary, you'll see how they put themselves in danger and put a lot at risk in order to make it. One of the biggest things that I got from the documentary was really how fragile our oceans are, and how human activity is linked to its destruction in several ways. By that, I mean the ocean could be destroyed in several ways, and humans are pushing it in every single way. A great example I could give from the documentary is sharks. Humans are driving sharks to extinction and killing many a day, sometimes just for their fins, which provide no benefit to humans. If the sharks die out, that would lead to the entire ocean dying out. Another big takeaway I got from the documentary is how the organizations who are supposed to be protecting the ocean don't want to address the impact the fishing industry has on the destruction of the oceans. Many of them even sell the illusion that some seafood companies are sustainable when that couldn't be further from the truth. The biggest thing I liked about the documentary is how it addressed how humans have this illusion that some of the things we do are making a big difference to combat pollution and the destruction of our oceans, when really some of the things we brag about doing aren't making that much of a difference, and there are a lot of other things we could change in our lifestyle that would make a much bigger difference. But unfortunately, the changes that make the most difference are the ones that no one wants to talk about. And that's why it's important to look at resources like this documentary that aren't being paid by big corporations to say what they want them to say. If you do want to check out the documentary, I highly recommend it, and it is on Netflix now. Also, if you want to take a step in moving away from the fishing industry, I just posted a video on my food channel for some vegan tuna recipes. I'll have that video linked on screen now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.